here, and we are still in the Christmas spirit. It's like 2 days after Christmas. What's today? Today's Monday, the 27th. Yes, the 27th of December. So that's 2 days after Christmas, and yeah, it was just a chill week. But today I'm taking y'all along with me because I have to run some errands, and then Bay and I are
in 2 miles, take the exit
find something to do to get out of the house before we head back to work. So yeah, I know we have to drop off something at IKEA because we're going to take that back, and we ordered something a few days ago and they shipped it and it was like broke up, and what they're not going to do is play with our hard-earned coins. So you know where it's going, right back to the store. So yeah, we're on the way there now, and then we going shopping. Yeah, we going shopping. You going shopping? He's tired of me. We're going shopping to pick up some stuff. We don't need anything, but I'm just gonna look because I've heard of this area where you can find, you know, Barbie on a budget. That's me. Yeah. And then I'm thinking, well, we had plans to go to Wonderland today, but it's raining, so that may not happen. Anyways, we'll find something to do if we cannot go to Wonderland because that's an outside area. So we'll find something to do because we're already dressed up and we're out of the house, but we're not going back home, I know that. So yeah, come along with me today on this vloggy vlog, and I'll see you either when I reach to IKEA or when I reach shopping. One or two. But for now, bye. Y'all, so at this point it's like we're gonna keep this whole broke up thing because the process is very ghetto. So you have to scan a QR code to wait 30 minutes to get a text to be invited into the return session, stand in the queue for it, and then after you didn't get this text for the first text, apparently you have to wait another 30 minutes to get a second text in order for you to return your item. So we don't waste 45 minutes in there. I still have to come back out with this thing, but at this point I guess we're gonna just take this loss because it's not serious. But Ethan, if I know him, he's gonna leave a nice review. As I tell him that he finishes that review, they ain't gonna have no other choice but to send his money back. So if I know him, I know that's what he gonna do. But yeah, on to the next stop, guys. I'll see you when I get there. Update, guys. We still haven't made it to Wonderland, but how do we get there? I don't know. I know this man tired of me. I know he's tired of me.
Proceed to Orpheus Road, then turn right.
Yeah, I think it's time for me to carry my Blackie home now. I didn't spend my 5 hours I supposed to be to work. And the people in shops acting a fool. I didn't show my Blackie boat, honestly. I thought probably a good $100 later. So, yeah, but Wonderland was, we didn't go because it's raining and it's snowing. So that mixed combination is not going to work. But yeah, we're gonna grab something to eat, and then I think we're going home. And yeah, I'll just catch y'all either when we get where we're eating or back at the house. So instead of going for food, we're at another mall. I guess this was how I needed to celebrate my day after nearly having to cuss out those people. Because the way everything showed up. Remember to take your ticket with you. What ticket? So it's obviously that we're lost. I think we're lost, guys, because if I gotta be walking like this to get into the mall, then I don't need to go to the mall. So Sally then take us to this parking garage. Now we're just thinking that, you know, this is where you park to get inside the mall, but we done been walking for 5 minutes. We done been walking for 5 minutes now, and ain't no entrance to the mall yet. And me and my fathead right now need one little pulley or something, because my body ain't cut out for this. Okay? It's not cut out for this. Where we even park? Because then again, when it's time to come over here, how we can get back to our car? That's what I need to know. Okay, hopefully I see y'all when we get inside. Hopefully, okay? So we find an elevator. Now let's see where it takes us. Does it have like signs? Hey, how do you know where you're going?
Mezzanine.
We just press
You just press on. Okay, I think we made it.
From them apart in a chichi man
Saman big long chain and big sleeve and she When them totals come to your party.
Oh shit. Family. Get up, Miss Walker. We say family.
3 days later.
Y'all, so me and these videos, we gonna be big children. And we gonna go make snow angels. It's our first snow day. I hear, boo. It's our first snow day, snowstorm. Where this going though? Where this go? Where this go?
What up?
I tell you we need our gloves. Oh Jesus. Oh no, Ethan, I getting buried.
Just turn around.
We did go to work. Give me my idea. Hello. Hi. Hi. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. I didn't know you were home. I thought you went to work. Oh my God. No, baby, I'm off for the week. How long is it supposed to last for?
I think,
Okay. Y'all, let me tell y'all what happened to me today. This snowstorm then come for your girl and try to take your girl out. Okay? So let me give y'all a rundown. I'm minding my business trying to get to the bus stop as I do every morning to to go to work, right? And if you know me, you know I'm either right on time or I'm going to be missing the bus and I'm going to have to wait for the other one. So this was the morning where I was right on time and the bus was coming down as I was trying to cross the road. But I couldn't cross the road because cars were coming and was not. So I reached out to the bus driver and flagged him down to let him know that, hey, I needed to catch that bus, so he needed to stop. So he stopped, but he stopped a little ways up, further than the bus stop. And it was on a highway, so the cars are just coming. And I still wasn't able to cross. So now I finally get the chance to cross the road. And because the bus driver then passed my bus stop, I'm trying to get to where he is. And I couldn't have walked in the road because the cars are in the road. Because I go this way, usually some days, I say, okay, I can identify the sidewalk from the grass. Epic fail. Didn't know, I guess I don't know which was the sidewalk from which was the grass. But let me tell you what happened to me. So I'm trying to run for the bus. The bus doesn't stop now. I'm trying to run because the road is backed up because the bus is blocking up the road. So I'm trying to run. And then when I start running, and there I go, plop, on the floor, flat on my face, in the snow, buried, okay? Long gone. So I tried to get back up, but snow was so high, I was trying to get back up. So I'm crawling. And as I get back up, I fell back down again. And I tried to get back up 3 times, and then I fell back down again. So at this point, I'm like, I might as well just go on ahead and swim through the snow and just crawl my way to the bus stop. So, so I'm crawling. And I started swimming. Keep in mind, I'm on the phone with Ethan all this time, right? Because my AirPods were in my ear, and I'm still talking to him. So he could hear me out of breath, panting, doing everything, trying to get to the bus stop. Anyhow, long story short now, I reached the bus stop. And just as I reach, not to the bus stop, to the bus, and just as I reach where the bus was, I fell down again. So Edith was like, you gotta make sure you have your headphones in your ear. I sat up and I screamed, boy, I trying to make sure my wig on my head. You weren't with any headphones. I said my wig is the most important thing. And I just gone on the bus and I carry on with my business, right? And then this other girl, I sure she couldn't see what was going on because she was on the bus. Traffic was blocking up the road and I was on the side of the road being an idiot. Swimming through the flicking stuff. Anyhow, right? So as soon as I reach on the bus and I grab my seat, this girl gonna say, your license loose. No, sis. What you expect? Because snow in my boobs, snow in my crabby, snow everywhere. What do you expect those laces to still be tied? And I know y'all wondering, like, why are you talking about a bus if y'all have a car? But no, we don't have a car. That's like a rental that we had that week of the holidays. But we had already taken the rental back, so back to the bus it was. But listen, I ain't share that with y'all to tell y'all my message. Rule number 1, right? My name Bohemian Trey. I remember him say, I learned don't go by girls, let the girls go by you. Let the girls go by you. Tell y'all what I learned. I learned don't run for bus, let the bus leave you. Okay. No, but on a real though, my message for today is that life is full of obstacles, but don't give up. But rather, keep reaching for the light at the end of the tunnel and know that you will not be defeated, okay? If you fall along in life, you get back up and you start again. You start again until you reach what you need to accomplish in life, okay? Do not give up, do not stay down, keep going, period, none more, none less. With that being said, let's just hop back into the video. Construction workers to work today. Hey y'all, it's just me, y'all's raggedy friend, just hopping on here to close up this video because I need to do better. I promise I can do better in the near future, but for now, this is what I do. If you have made it this far, thank you so much. And before you leave this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Text a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, and tell them to tune in to your girl because you know it's up and it's stuck. We're gonna be late. But yes, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.